Hello guys, and actually you know that I am collecting weapons and especially knives, blades, and always I was collecting EDC and hunting and tactical blades, kind of those like Takumi Tak, obsidian. But actually one of my good friends, my dude, because it was my birthday, got me something that I never hold it before. This is a Japanese damask steel blade, which made for sushi meat, I think. That's called YAXELL blades. Sorry, it's called YAXELL blades, and well, those kitten. This is a knife that I never hold before. Run, made in Japan. vg10 Damascus stainless steel, 69 slices. Oh yeah, something layers. And YAXELL blades, I never had it before. It's the first time when I see it. My friend wanted to give me a gift, but he didn't know what to do, so he bought me the expensive one. Well, and this is 61 of Rockwell, and let's check it out. This is a cigarette paper, and now let's check it out how it's cutting it. I never saw nothing like this before. Such so easy cut without nothing, no I don't feel any resistance here. It's just cutting it totally. So I don't know, maybe it's not looks cool like this one, but this one is much better. So if somebody knows something about this one, let me know please. The handle